Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making Parmesan Crusted Cod. Alright, I'm starting out in a bowl that I scrambled 2 eggs in. Now to that I'm going to add in some salt. I'm going to add about a half teaspoon of salt in there. I'm also going to add in about a half teaspoon of pepper. I'm going to add in a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. And a teaspoon of garlic powder. And guys, my garlic powder's a little lumpy, but it'll still work fine. I'm going to mix this together and I'm going to set it aside just for now. Okay, now in a second bowl I have a half a cup of Italian seasoned breadcrumbs and a quarter of a cup of flour. To that I'm going to add a cup of shredded Parmesan cheese. This is an older container I need to use up. And I'm just eyeballing the cheese. If I get a little extra in there, that's no problem. Just a little more. Alright, I'm going to mix that together and we're going to set this aside just for now. Alright, now in a large skillet I'm going to add in about 4 tablespoons of olive oil. And I'm going to add in 4 tablespoons of butter. And my butter's still frozen, that's how I keep it. I'm going to go ahead and melt this down. And what this will do is the butter will give the fish flavor, and the olive oil will fortify the butter so the butter doesn't scorch. And I might pan it on medium-low. It's a cast iron. We don't want to get it too hot because the fish needs time to fry. Alright, now that my butter's all melted down, I have some cod fillets here. Now these are still frozen. Preferably you would want to do this with them thawed. Thaw them in the fridge overnight. But I didn't have the time. I just picked them up today. I'm going to go ahead and coat them in that egg spice coating. And I have 2 real thick ones. I'm going to get them in there first because they're going to take a little longer to fry. Then I'm going to put it in this Parmesan breadcrumb mixture. And I'm sorry if you can't really see too well. And I'm just going to go ahead and pat the fish down with the coating. And I'm going to place it in the skillet. So I have the 2 larger pieces, thicker pieces I should say. I'm going to get them all coated and breaded in the pan. And I'm going to allow these to fry for probably 7 or 8 minutes per side on low because they're pretty thick and, like I said, they're still frozen. So I'm going to get all my fish breaded up here in this Parmesan breading, and when it's time to turn the fish over, I'll bring you guys back. Alright, my fish is done. You can see the Parmesan breading came off of some of them, but it's still going to be good. But let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. I also made cheese and broccoli baked potatoes to go with this. Let me get in here and try this fish. See, it's nice and flaky. Good cod flavor. That breading. Crispy. You pick up the Parmesan cheese with seasonings. That's really delicious, guys, and it wasn't hard at all. Alright, there you have it. Parmesan Crusted Cod. Thanks for watching, and remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.